Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Moni, and I'm excited for this one because it's sponsored by Rosegal. Now I have worked with them multiple times before. I love them, they love me. Can you blame them? I'm amazing. But if you don't know, Rosegal is an online retailer and they have a bunch of options for us plus size women, and they even have kids clothing, men's clothing, women's clothing, even home goods kind of things, some technology like little tech stuff like electronics and stuff. But yeah, they have a bunch of things for fall and autumn, and it's almost here, guys. The season of pumpkin spice lattes, hocus pocus on reruns, and candy. I love Halloween. I'm a grown-ass person. I love Halloween. I dress up, I go party. It's my time of the year to shine bright like a diamond, okay? So yeah, I'm super excited for this one. I want to thank them again for sponsoring this video. I'll have all the links to the things I'm going to show you down below, including their website. And if I have a promo code for you, which I think I do, but I want to double check, I'll have it here down here and down there in the description. But let's just jump into it. So with Halloween, of course, I had to get a wig. I had to. So yes, they have wigs. They have a bunch of options for Halloween too. So I got this. I thought my little cousins would love it. Me too, actually. Kind of gives me Kylie, Kylie Jenner vibes. I love it. It's so soft and smooth. They're gonna go nuts for it. So they do have a bunch of Halloween options on the website for you too. Now this one I have to show you, like I mentioned, they have a bunch of electronics. This is probably the coolest thing ever. So I love to go on it's called like a booze cruise, and they have one for Halloween, and you dress up, you get involved in the festivities. So it's a skull mask, okay? Not only that, hold on, I put batteries in it. Oh, you can't tell because my light is on, but it actually turns on. I'll insert a clip of the mask on me. It is so freaking cool. I think I'm gonna wear that with like maybe a skeleton onesie, because again, if you don't know, I'm from Chicago. It's cold. when it's Halloween time, it's cold. It's either blistering cold where it's pretty much winter, or for the last 2 years we've actually been really lucky. So I've been around like 50-ish degrees for us. That's summer. For us, that's summer. We love it. So yeah, they have a bunch of cute little Halloween options. Oh, so many Halloween dresses. So many in all sizes. Go check it out. Trust me, you won't be sorry. It's so good. So let's get on to the clothings, right? So with fall stuff, obviously it's colder. You want to wear longer sleeves, warmer stuff. But not only that, I've mentioned it before, I've never been the biggest fan of leggings. But they've sort of grown on me, and I think I can incorporate it into my winter/fall attire. So I try to shop with the mind of getting tunics. So tunics is just a regular top that's a bit longer. It's meant to cover the booty and the fronts if you need to. And it's just, I think it's such a cute look. So that's why I'm thinking wearing that with booty. So that's what I had in mind when I picked everything out. So this is probably my favorite, and it's so simple, but it's probably my favorite. I'll have the sizes that I bought down below. I will say this, with Rosegal, every item that you look on there, look in the sizing chart. Every item has a different sizing chart. Look it up. Know your measurements, because I follow the sizing chart whenever I shop at Rosegal, and it never does me wrong, ever. So I got this super, you would think it's super simple, but it's like so incredibly adorable. Like, I love it. It's a gray top, right? Oh, have it backwards, but still gray. Gray top, long sleeves, but bam! It's got like a lace detail in the bottom. It fits so nice. It kind of has like the oversized, like flowy feel of like a 90s top. I love it, and it's like the perfect length. It's like a little mini dress. I can only imagine this with a super cute black leggings and black booties. I'm so excited. Or if you want to be like extra cute, if you have like gray knit kind of boots, or even like knee-high socks partnered with this, oi, It's gonna be amazing, and this alone is getting me excited for it to be cold because I can't wait to wear it. I love this. Like, you would think it'd be so simple, but it's so effing cute. I love it. And I also like, since it's a simple color, you can actually wear like a really long necklace with it, make it like a statement. Love it. So this one, oh, you guys are gonna die with this one. This one is winter fall goals. It's just, so you can't escape plaid during the fall. You just can't. It's a staple. When you see plaid, it makes you think of Thanksgiving, leaves, pumpkins, fall in general, okay? So this is a gorgeous. It's like a ivory cream knit with plaid sleeves, right? Plaid functional front pockets, okay? Well, pockets, one. And this sucker is long. I love it. It covers your butt. It just looks so incredibly cute. I did so good. I did so good. Even the neck, where it's like a little fold neck, it's perfect. Because sometimes, you know, with these things, especially for plus size, they don't consider the neck. I'm like, girl, need room. They gave you room in here. I did so good. I'm so proud of myself. Just this knit pattern is so gorgeous. And I will say this, like, it's thick, but it's not like suffocating, like you're gonna overheat like thick. It's beautifully made. Oh guys, I'm so excited. And I love that this is functional, because where else am I gonna put my phone? This is perfect. I love it. It fits so comfortable. Even in the sleeves, it's really like baggy, which is perfect because it gives me kind of like lumberjack feels. And I'm like, oh, so excited. Can so imagine wearing this with my leggings and booties and a black hat. Oh, a black hat and going to Starbucks. And get a pumpkin spice latte. Yes, I get pumpkin spice lattes. It's fine. I don't go to Starbucks all the time, so it's fine. This one, oh, I love this one because, again, it's simple, right? Black top. What else, right? There's lace sleeves, and I was a little scared. I'm like, oh, my arm's not gonna fit in this. Ooh, girl, this stretches. It stretches in such a beautiful way where it doesn't look like it's suffocating you. It's like gorgeous. And then on this side, it's a cut V, right? And it's lace too, so it gives you a little bit more oomph. I love it. I love it. Because let's say you want to go out, but you want to be simple, but you don't want to be over the top. With that lace, it just adds a little bit, something a little bit more sexy, dramatic. So cute. I also like the neckline too. It just has a little space here in the shoulders. Very comfortable, very nice, great weight. Different fabric, I don't know what it is, but I love it. And I love black. Can't go wrong with black. Like I said, I'll have everything I'm showing you here linked down below, including the size that I bought. And a lot of these things do come in different colors. I'm trying to get the light to adjust. I'm already sweating, it's hot. But yeah, so this one, I get something a little bit different. Because when I picked this out, I was thinking, ooh, date night. I'm not going on a date, but maybe you will, and you need a top. I got you. This is also very long. I love it. Again, I was thinking everything with leggings, okay? So this is the front. You see this bow? The bow actually comes untied, so you can tie it the way you want, or you can just leave it hanging down. It goes completely straight down, but it's just gorgeous. Giant rose print of pink and red roses. And it's like so dainty and just beautiful all over. It's so cute. Lightweight too, so you can easily throw on top like a cardigan, like a white one. You could do black. You can even do like a really like dark olive green. I think it would complement this shirt incredibly well. I love it. I love it. That's something I love about fall in general. Like, you can wear so many spaghettis, and if you don't like showing your arms, just throw on the cardigan, throw on the blazer. I love it. Now this. Oh girl, I'm in love with this. I'm surprised how much in love I am with it, because it gives me like, what's her name? Little Red Riding Hood vibes. It's gorgeous. So it's like a, how do you call it? I don't know. I call it a poncho, but it's probably a different name for it, but whatever. Again, it's all plaid, And it's thick. It's like you're wearing a blankie. Oh, so good. So to throw on over like poncho. I don't know what else you would call this. A shawl? No, it's not a shawl. I'm gonna call it a poncho, okay? And you just throw it over. So what you could do with this, you can wear red too, but like a gray, white, or black. You could probably do brown, like a long sleeved top underneath this. And then it's one of those days it's a little chilly. Just throw this on. And then the hood is everything because it's super baggy, so it kind of just hangs. And it just looks like you're a beautiful mythical creature coming out from the forest. I'm all tongue-tied. That's how excited I am. And I remember when I bought this was like only 35 bucks. I was like, what? 35 bucks? I'm not complaining. I was like, hey, I wish I had more colors. It probably does, I don't remember. But this is amazing. I've always wanted something like this, but a lot of the ones I've seen don't have a hood. And I don't know if it's like a Chicago thing, but I love a hood. I just do. I like to know that my head is protected because I feel like once my ears are cold, I'm gonna get sick. So I'm the only one. Yeah, probably am. Ooh, next one. So I've been seeing a bunch of these tops all over Facebook, Instagram, and then when I went on the website, I was like, oh, they have one, and it's just super simple sweater. Or is this a sweatshirt? I think it's a sweatshirt. And it's sized a little bit like big, just so like the shoulders kind of hang out, and it looks so cozy, and it is so cozy. Excuse me. It's a color black, so you have this really dark, it's kind of like a blue, yeah, a dark blue pocket, functional. If you need to put anything in there, it's functional. And it's gray, it's soft, and it has burgundy down here on the waist and below, and the sleeves. This is long too, so you can, perfect with leggings. It's so cozy. As soon as I put this on, this is the only problem. As soon as I want to put this on, I want to lay on my sofa and watch Netflix. That's it. But I love this. I love this with leggings, like I mentioned before, but I'm really excited for like skinny jeans. Love skinny jeans with some combat boots. I think this would be very cute. It's one of those things that's so simple, but it's so like, it just gets you in the mood. I don't know, this is where my brain goes at, but I love tops like this. Again, I have everything linked down below, and the size that I bought. Now the last item, oh, I love it because it's so soft. It was this beautiful, like, what do you call this? Celestial? Is that how you say it? Or relates to? Like the sun and the moon and the stars. And is it black? Yeah, black. Because I can't tell. Because sometimes I feel like I'm colorblind, but I think only men can be colorblind, but it's black. With this beautiful gold celestial print. Is that right? I hope that's right. And it has this tiny little peekaboo right between the bust, but it's so little nothing's gonna show, and then a little bow. And I thought this was really cute also for a date night, or if you're going out for dinner with friends, could wear this with a cute blazer. Love it. Actually, this is a pretty good length. You can also wear this with leggings. But yeah, I really like it. Let me show you the back. And they also have adjustable straps. I know for some people that's a huge thing. Adjustable straps. Oh no, that's it. Why anymore? But I feel like I hit the jackpot. I feel like I got everything. I'm good. I'm good for autumn. I'm good for fall. Everything. I'm good. I don't need anything else. But I loved everything I found in Rosegal. If you never checked them out, I have all the links down below for you guys. I want to thank them again for sponsoring this video. Like I said, I've worked with them multiple times before. I like their stuff. I wear it continually. Like people in my real life will tell you, I wear it all the time. And if you have any questions or concerns or whatnot, leave me a comment down in the description. Also follow me on Instagram. It's the same username as my YouTube, so there's no excuses. And there's a link down in the description, so follow your girl, because I really want to do a giveaway soon, but I want to reach 5K subscribers on YouTube in order to do that. So help a sister out. I hope you guys liked this one. I had fun, even though I'm sweating, but it was fun. It was fun. Until next time, guys, I love ya. Bye.